Welcome to the Painful Life. I am Payne, or Painful Budger. Wrong channel. Anywho, today we are doing Monday the 13th through Sunday the 19th. Last week we did kind of a bluish, tealish, purplish, well not really purple, but a teal pretty one. I figured this week we will do a black and gold spread with whatever we have left over. I'm supposed to have someone come over and picking up a bike from me, so if I get interrupted, that might be why. But let's see what we can do. I'm gonna do a nice little gold foil looking thing, and let's get this started. There we go. Hope you're having a wonderful week. I have been playing around. I just did a budgeting one for this last week. If you haven't catch it, go back and see it. It's going to be just, I'm just doing a monthly one as this month. And I should probably double check, make sure I have everything is recording nicely. Hold on. Yep, it is working. So let's continue on with today's Happy Plana. It's another one. I want to get some more stickers and that type of stuff. But it might be a couple months down the line. I am probably just going to be stuck with the Happy Planner stuff for now. But hey, it's okay. And of course I want to draw some of my own art as well. But today we're just going to try to use up what we have a little bit. See if we can make a little extra design. Black and gold always looks good together. I might want to, maybe I'll do a double border. That might be cool. Maybe some bubbles. They have some, you could do some kind of a black and gold like that, or maybe some bubbles. Like, let's do some, let's see, what do we have? Do we have anything black and gold similar in some of these? Got some lines. Well, it don't matter. I'm gonna do half and half. Well, that way so you can have an idea. It kind of bleeds through a little bit, but might have been a good one to put on the bottom, actually, since the other one's a little stronger colored. And this is my new desk. Well, it's not new. It's been in the house for a while. It's just been upstairs. And I've been wanting to get this room done. Make it a little more, might make me a little more inclined to actually do some of the stuff, because for the longest time I was doing all my art stuff in my kitchen, and it made me not want to do a lot of this type of stuff, because it's always there, always making a mess, and that would stress me out, and then I wouldn't do anything. This one will probably be a simple one, because I'm just kind of getting through it and doing it and not really talking a lot in it. So I'll probably just fast forward and I'll just have a simple one and a quick one that you guys can watch hopefully within 5 or 6 minutes. If I fast forward through most of this and just add some nice music in the background or something. So let's go and let's do this into squirrel mode. Engage. Where the heck is the freaking thing? Let's see what we have. Remember, priorities done. Do some gold. Hopefully shine like stars, loved by the moon. Live life fully. Let's do some of that fully. I'm going to do that now, see if we can find something else to go with it. Let's put some star constellation. Here's Big Dipper. Let's do some Big Dipper. Might have to cut that off a little bit. Where did I get pull it off? Everything. Yay. Let's do some star constellations. Oh, they're already letting off the fireworks. Someone's celebrating. It looks like it sounds like backfire, but it ain't. It's actually New Year's Day. Let's do some stars, all kinds of stuff. Do we have any important dates those days? Probably not. But Let's put some corner marks on here. Kind of give it a little decoration. Actually, that looks kind of nice. Really get the right on that, but shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. There's really no black and white on this one. Let's do color. I might do the next one, do a floral one. Just breathe. If you can dream it, enjoy it. Follow your heart. Let's do some black and white. Enjoy the little things. Let's do some. Let's make it today count. Give me a little thingy. Live life to fullest. Let's get some coffee. There we go. Good kick coming in. A little flower. Fill your day with love. This should go like a thingy or a black one. Then we have. Let's do a black and gold. Let's do one this way or that way. Let's do that way. And then, let's do a 3-1. Or should we do a kind of crossed? There we go. We'll add some flowers. Let this one look good. Put that right under here. It kind of blends in. Make notes. Black arrows. Let's just make this one. Should we do it? Micro box. And I'll do some at the back. And that's kind of cute. Do some little. Nope. Let's put some flowers or something there. Should be black or gold. Let's do. Push it that underneath it. Wow. Let's see. We'll do a black one. Black one. Or black outline. There we go. Never give up. Join the bloom. Do we have one I can put underneath? Breathe. Enjoy the little things. I should have. There we go. And maybe we'll do some ink. Do you have any black ink? No, that kind of goes through it. Let's some sparkles. I'll let it dry. I gotta do some anyways. Maybe I'll do some little sparkles here. If I can get this to work, that is. Good. And we'll just kind of turn it to dots. And we'll just do a little extra over here. Just make sure I don't just put a little line on too. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of, I don't know if it's gone, but we'll try. We should add some black. Let's see. Gonna do one of these half ones, and then maybe do a line, of course. Kind of looks like a flower. And that's some black. Let's see what silver looks like. Kind of make it look like silver vines or stuff. Gonna make it look like. There's a lot of practice with that, but there's my thumbs doing it. I'm gonna make these blues. We'll call this done for here, and then I'll let that dry while I do some blueprint, and then I'll just actually turn it really nice like that. I like the look of just the like the gold and silver and the gold and black. Then we have the blue one, and then these are just some of my practice kind of things for corners and stuff, trying to look for designs. This is very simple, but you don't want to get complicated with glitter. But it's really fun doing your books, just kind of adding on glitter. Even if you have stickers and a little bit of glitter on top, it kind of gives it. Oops, don't do that. It gives it a nice little pop. You open a little gold. Whoa, that little. I just kind of fan it out to this. Let's see the little gold pop. Doing all that thing is, let's see if we can do some. That comes out really. Let's see if I can get a little bit of gold on my thing. I just want a little bit. No, I guess that's gonna be as much of the pop I'm gonna get. But here on my pants. Well, it is ears. Alrighty. Well, I hope you guys had a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed this. Next week, maybe I'll do a color, like maybe one of these ones, like here. These are really pretty. Maybe the blue and teal. I'll do some blue and teal for the next one. And then maybe I'll do some, these are like more springish colors. But I'll do a blue and teal, and then maybe the last one I will do a drawn one. And I'll do some practicing, and hopefully by then I'll just work on maybe some flowers or some winter drawing. I've been practicing some winter kind of, you know, just kind of designs and stuff. I've got some polar bears, some candles, I got some snowflakes, I got a little snow globe. Maybe we'll do a little winter scene with some like penguins and snowflakes and that type of stuff. And working on like borders and that type of stuff. These are just quick little sketches. So I hope you have a wonderful. If you have any ideas for me, anything that I can do at home and learn how to do, please let me know. I appreciate it. If you know any good deals that are coming up for different types of stickers, or some Etsy ones that you might do some like maybe something under $20 type of homemade sticker, things that are on Etsy that you see that are really cute that might be good for the Happy Planner, let me know. I really want some different boxes type of stuff, so I can add some of these, because a lot of them have some boxes, but I might have to look up Etsy, just a bunch of different boxes of different colors and that type of stuff. I do love this kind of golden black or silver and black. It's always cool. Anywho, I'm gonna go and make me some money, and I'll talk to you guys later. Love you all.